stand up to a topic called cloudburst. Cloudburst is a phenomenon that has been seen in Himalayan states on regular basis these days. Almost in every monsoon season there is a big or a small cloudburst incident. So that's why from that perspective, because this is something which has been occurring regularly in nature, there is a possibility that you may see a direct or indirect question related to cloudburst. Intense spell of rain that is localized. Now what is this? See, in order to understand cloudburst, you need to give your attention on these two keywords. One is intense rainfall and second is your localized or in a local area. How